How to fix TikTok no message button on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok no message button on Android phone. First open settings and then just scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again, and here you will find TikTok. Click on it and then go to storage, clear cache, and go to permissions. Enable all of those here: storage, microphone and camera. And then go to data usage, enable this one. Background data, maybe you will find it like that, just enable it. And then just go back and try again, restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.